Hi, in this video I shall explain it to you what exactly is a mandatory compliance and how can Legal Rasta help you with the same. So coming to the very basic question, and that is, what is a compliance? A compliance in simple terms is to comply with or to adhere to the rules and regulations. Once you start a business, there are various mandatory compliances that you have to follow. Also, the medium and small business entrepreneurs, they are not able to follow these compliances, and therefore they end up with a penalty of rupees 1 lakh and more. The common compliances that every company has to mandatorily ensure are director disclosure. Every director of the company in the first year and in the first financial meeting has to disclose his interest in the other entities. For this, the director has to fill form MBP1. Second one is director disqualification. Each director of the company in the first financial year itself has to file with the company the disclosure of non-disqualification. Holding of the annual general meeting. Well, it is mandatory for a company to hold an annual general meeting in every calendar year. Appointment of the auditor. An auditor is to be appointed for a period of 5 years and Form ADT1 is to be filed. Also, the first auditor that is appointed should be appointed within 1 month of the incorporation of the company. Filing of the annual return, that is Form MGT7. A company is liable to file the annual return within 60 days of the holding of annual general meeting. Also, the annual return is to be filed for a period of 1st April to 31st of March. Quarterly compliance, which means every company shall hold a minimum number of 4 meetings for its board of directors, which means 1 meeting in every quarter of the calendar year. Legal Rasta can guide you with the compliances that are required to be completed every year since the incorporation. For this, all you have to do is go to our website, that is www.legalrasta.com, select the option ROC compliance, fill a very simple online questionnaire, then you can select your package. You can also go for the additional services like bookkeeping, accounting. All you have to do is then you'll get an email from us regarding the next few steps and the documents required. You have to just submit those documents and you're done on your part. Rest, we'll take care of it. We'll then file your documents with the MCA and also send a copy of the same to you. I hope you like the video. Thank you.